Hi friends, Dinesh Sunny here. So this time I came with a course of Java and game development. Here we'll focus on Java programming, but with a very interactive way. This one by making games. So if you are very interested in making games or have you ever played of the games, you will be more excited to in this course, and you can enjoy this course well. So not only this, we will have a many benefits here, and course material on the internet, I will be providing you the most best material which is made by me, and also we will be having a total 5 games we will make in our whole curriculum, and one of the best games are made by my students as their output, as their final submission is I'm showing here. So please have a look at this. So here the concept is just you have to collect the coins, and you have to avoid the enemy boards. So these are the many concepts you will be seeing in most of the games. But while you come to other games, like here in one of the games, so here, so this is the game made by another student. So this is the games you can make after you learn some of the games. So I suggest you to take this course not as just to learn something, but you will be learning with me in a very interactive manner. And the most of the examples I will give to this will be related to the real world examples. So I think I'm very confident that you can learn this course very well, and you can perform well in the programming also. And I have already said the prerequisite for this course will be from 8th class. If you are an intermediate student or engineering or even employee and even parents, you can all join this course and you can enjoy the benefits of this course. If you are parents, especially, you can teach your children the programming flavor to your children. So they will be more innovative, and they can be grasp the concepts easily. So here in my course, I will be mostly concentrating on Java programming and all the basic things I will cover. So if you are also not familiar with the Java or any programming language, you can come up with this. You can take this course. And also, I will suggest you to make this course a very interactive each and every day. So all the best for you to take this course. Yeah, bye.